Space Explorers between the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
It's qualification match number 69, and our teams are headed off. Shamrock Robotics lining up for a cargo for the Blue Alliance, while Illuminosity is working on a hatch panel for Red. Roboreal is successful in placing a hatch on the rocket for the Red Alliance. It is now time for teleoperated period, where these teams have a lot of time to control their robots and score as many points as possible. Shamrock Robotics not wasting any time, just got a piece of cargo in the ship for the Blue Alliance, while Illuminosity from Bedford, they're working on getting a piece of cargo in the ship for the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, Roboreal's currently ranked at number 2. They need this match to inch back up to number 1, proving their worth by placing a hatch panel on the rocket for the Red Alliance. Just over a minute and a half left in the match. Zebrabots are working on getting a piece of cargo in the ship for the Red Alliance. They've got it. Minute and a half over on the blue side of the field. Shamrock Robotics still working on cargo, while Robotic Pioneers are doing the same, helping their partner out by placing a hatch panel so that Shamrock Robotics can follow behind and place a piece of cargo. Remember, for the cargo ship, each spot needs a hatch panel in order to place a piece of cargo, and that is where cooperation comes in handy. Robotic Pioneers got that hatch panel on. Shamrock Robotics following close behind them, able to finish the job with some cargo. 3147 Monster Horsepower, they are working on placing a piece of cargo on the other side of the Blue Alliance cargo, but they need a hatch panel. 45 seconds left in the match. Roboreals are now headed over. They've got a piece of cargo. They're headed over and gonna try to get it in the rocket, except they forgot that they need 2 hatch panels to finish a level of the rocket, so they changed their strategy, headed over to the human player station, got a hatch panel, and are now working on placing it in the second level for the Red Alliance. 20 seconds left in the match. Roboreals is working on placing that hatch panel. Illuminosity following them right behind, getting a piece of cargo. Shamrock Robotics climbing up on the second half level for Blue. Monster Horsepower doing the same. Currently, Robotic Pioneers needs to get up. 5 seconds left in order to get that ranking point for Blue. 2, 1. Robotic Pioneers got up, clinching that ranking point for the Blue Alliance. We'll see what the score and the ranking points end up being in a moment. We have a score for match 69. It's the Blue Alliance putting up a pretty nice score of 57 to 55. Barely eking out a win with 3 ranking points, bumping all 3 Blue Alliance robots up in the rankings. That's Monster Horsepower, Shamrock Robotics, and the Robotic Pioneers. Unfortunately, all 3 of the Red Alliance robots sliding down in the rankings. Roboreals used to be at the number 2 position. Now they're all the way down to number 5. They're going to want to get that ranking back up for Alliance selections later this afternoon.